power plus x to the second power y.
Can you repeat? Okay, 1 second, 1 second, 5 and 5. 1 second. I think 815. Have you done your questions? Tell me. 815. 815. I'm audible to you? I think he's not listening me. 815. Roll number 815. I'm asking to you, 815.
Huh?
I'm asking to you, have you done your homework?
Wait, what? What book?
Have you done your homework?
No, because like I'm not joined. I like
Okay.
I
Okay.
have like one chat, like the chat like in the meeting, but like not like the mathematics grade 6
Okay.
chat.
Okay. Fine. 514. What about you? I think you have shared me the pictures, right? Okay. I think I'm confused in 815 and 814. I think 815. Okay, no problem. And 5 Okay. 536. Have you done your homework? 536.
I sent it.
Okay. 828. What about you? 828. What? He's leaving. Okay. 827.
Yes.
I I think everyone has completed. So I'm telling you answer, and if your answer is correct, you guys show me this thumb, and if not, then tell me. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay. So question number five. Question number five. First one is the answer of first one is 4x square plus 2y second power plus xy. Okay. Everyone has the same answer? Okay, fine.
Yes.
Question number second is question number second is 3xy square minus 5x square y plus 7xy minus 8xy square minus 4xy plus 6x square y. So your answer is negative 5x y square plus x square y plus 3xy. Everyone has the same answer?
No, I didn't get the same answer.
Okay, just tick okay, and
What was
I'll
the
tell
correct
you.
answer?
And the
What was the
third answer and
uh
third answer is,
teacher?
yeah, tell me.
What was the answer for the second one? The one that you just said right now? Like the second
Mm,
the three
negative 5
yes,
negative 5
yeah,
xy square
yes.
plus x square y plus 3xy.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Third one is, answer of third one is 2x to the power 4 plus 3x to the power 3 minus 8x square plus 19x plus 7. 8 to 8, where are you? Is there any problem?
Right here.
Okay. So question number 6. Question number 6. And answer 1 is 6y square.
Wait, you said the answer for to question number 4? Wait. Oh, okay.
I think it's too time taking. Listen, I'm going to teach you new topics, okay? And uh, I'll check it, then I'll send you in chat box. I think it's too time taking. 45 minutes are very precious. So next topic is how we use algebraic expression. Okay, uh, you know the formulas. You know formulas.
Formula?
Yeah, formulas
On
like
formula, like
um,
different types of
area,
to find
like
answers.
area of rectangle.
Yeah, I know area.
Okay, so I'm going to tell you that how you use algebraic expressions. Okay, so we have already learned some rules and formulas in mathematics. So here we shall see that these rules and formulas can be written in general using algebraic expression. Okay, how we use it. So if you have equilateral triangle, okay, equilateral triangle, you know what is equilateral triangle? Yeah, tell me, Faisal bhai.
A triangle with all equal sides.
Okay, so its length is, suppose that its length is L. Okay, 1 second. Suppose that you have triangle. This one is equilateral triangle, and you have length L. Okay, so if this length is L, then this and this will be,
L.
this and this side will be
L.
L.
L. So if anyone says that, tell me the perimeter of equilateral triangle, then what will you said? Yeah, tell me, 5 and 5.
3L.
Clear? Yeah, absolutely correct. So its perimeter will be
Perimeter will be
3L. Okay, if you have a square, okay, if you have a square, I think it's this rectangle. Okay, just suppose that it is a square. Actually it is not, but and its length is L. So if one length is L, then you have to tell me the perimeter of a square. So
uh
except 5 and 5, tell me anyone else. I know, I know that. Anyone else? Yeah, 827.
you said you want me to find other sides except length.
No, I if it is a square, if it is a square, then you know that each
Yeah, all
side is
sides.
equal. All the sides are
Equal
equal.
sides
Like
because like
then
example like a square is 36 square units. Like each side would be like wait sorry.
it is a square, okay? This one is a square, so
Oh.
it's all the sides will be equal. So if this one is L, then this one is also L, this one is also L, and this one is also L. Okay,
So
so
the
what is
perimeter
the,
would be 4L.
yeah,
So the perimeter would be 4L.
yeah, it's 4L. Perimeter will be 4 4L. Okay, and what will be in case of rectangle? Okay, what will be in case of rectangle? It's rectangle. Okay, so its length is L and its width is B. Okay, so what is the perimeter? This one is L and this one is L. This one is B and this one is also B. So what is the perimeter of
Is
rectangle?
this like
Yeah,
length and base? I'm not sure.
what
So what does the
happened?
B stand for?
B stand for breadth. B stand
Say
for
that again.
breadth. This one is length. Huh?
Length and breadth.
Yeah, length and breadth. This portion is that horizontal.
Do you mean length
And
and width?
yeah, actually you have some accent problem, right? 815, what happened? What are you doing?
I'm trying to listen.
815, are you dancing?
Yeah, cause like I have really nothing to do. I'm just listening.
Why you have nothing to do? It's common. I think you have studied it in class 5, grade 5. So why, if you have nothing to do, just listen to me.
Yeah, I am.
Just listen to me, and I'm not singing a song that you start dancing like this, okay? Just put your attention. Tell me what is the perimeter of rectangle? Yeah, 5 and 5, I'm coming to you. 1 second. I know you know the answer. 8 to 8, you also start dancing.
I'm not dancing.
Then,
No, just that his iPad's like moving.
so adjust your camera and so you don't know the answer. 815. Then,
Well, I do
okay,
know
fine.
like the triangle one. It's like it's L on each side and P equals 3L.
No, you're talking about triangle or rectangle?
Triangle.
It's equilateral triangle that and its all sides will be equal. So if one side is L, then two
And
other sides
the rest of the sides are L.
L into L into L. So it will 3L. Yeah, 5 and 5. Tell me what is the perimeter of rectangle?
2B plus 2L.
2B. Yeah, 2B plus 2L. Okay, fine. You can also write it like, just take 2 as common and
Yeah.
L
Isn't it? Is
plus,
it called like length and width? Like
yeah, it's length and breadth.
Then the B supposed to be a W.
yeah, I thought it's called W, like width. Yeah, length and width.
And after that, tell me the area of a square. I know it. Yeah, tell me.
Area of the square. Uh, 4.
How? How is it possible?
You said
You don't even remember the formula of a area of a square, area of
Yeah, I know area.
rectangle. I think it's
No.
basic.
Wait,
Yeah,
I
5
wait.
and 4. Tell me.
1 times 1.
Length times width.
Length time width for
The area of like a rectangle or a square.
uh, for rectangle it's length into breadth. Okay, length cross breadth. But for square, its all sides are equal. Its all sides are equal. So if one is L, okay, so its area will be L square. L square. That's why we call it a square. Yeah, 815. I think you are trying to say something. Tell me.
I'm gonna say the square equals the length is L square.
L square for
Yeah, for a
L.
square. Square.
Okay, fine. So these are some formulae. Okay, these are some formulas, and you have to solve questions on that. Uh, then I think you guys write the formula. Otherwise, I'll send you a picture. You're interested in writing, or I'll send you a picture.
I think sending pictures is a little better because I'm running out of paper and then my mom's gonna throw up my notebooks. I think it's better to like put it in the chat.
Yeah, it's better to send you a picture because you're wasting continuously wasting your energy in dancing. So it's better to send you a picture, right?
I already got everything down.
Okay, fine. I'm sending the picture. Just give me a minute. I'm sending the picture. I think you're not in grade 6.
Yeah, I'm not in the grade 6 chat.
In which, in, can you get the picture? Check your chat box.
I got.
Okay.
We're doing that. This homework or right now? Right now.
So, okay, just listen to me carefully, okay? Listen to me carefully. It is a question, and you have to solve the question. So, listen to me properly. If length of a side of a square is 5 centimeter, okay, 5 centimeter. If length of a side of a square is 5 centimeter, then the perimeter of a square will be
It would be 5 centimeter because squares.
Again, I couldn't hear you.
if the length of a square is 5 centimeter, then the perimeter of the square will be
5 centimeters.
Yeah, 5 centimeters. The perimeter is
How?
5.
You
Because
know the formula of
20
perimeter of a
centimeters.
square. Yeah, it's 20
20
because the
centimeters.
Oh.
because the perimeter of a square is 4 cross L. It's the formula. 4 cross L is formula and the value of L is 5. So when you multiply 4 and 5, then you'll get 20. One other question. Tell me the area of a square. Area of a square if the length is 5.
25.
25.
It's 25. Now we have to solve some questions. Just write a question that if L is equal to 5 and B is equal to 9. No, if B is equal to 3 because it's rectangle.
Wait, you said
L is equal to 5 and B is equal to 3.
okay. Rect
As well as perimeter of rectangle.
rectangle. I wrote
Tell me.
you said the 5 rectangle, 5 L and 3, right?
Yeah? Can you repeat?
You told us like a rectangle, 5.
No.
You just told us like 5.
Okay. First tell me area. Area of rectangle.
Area of the rectangle, well, 5 length and 3, 5 L and 3 B. I got 15.
15.
Yeah, 15.
Okay. Everyone has 15. Okay. Now tell me perimeter.
Perimeter, I got 16.
Empty space. Okay. 16. So I think here all the points of this topic are over. Now we'll move to next topic. Okay. Your algebraic and numeric expressions are over. So you have to solve some question, okay, to check your progress. So are you ready, guys? It's something like test.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm giving you question and you have to solve it. Three x and 12x y. Uh, tell me the type of expression.
Can you say that again?
Type of expression.
Type of expression?
Tell me.
Simple expression?
Who know
Maybe now.
that? 5 and 5.
Yeah.
Can you please rejoin? Because your video is not clear. So can you rejoin? 8 to 8. 8 to 8. Tell me the type of expression. Tell me the type of expression in this question. Type of expression. That is it monomial, is it binomial or trinomial?
Type of expression will control x and y.
Tell me.
Can you show the whiteboard?
Type of expression. That is it monomial? Is it monomial or binomial or trinomial?
X is binomial, but then 12xy is multinomial.
What are you saying?
X is binomial.
One second. 8 to 8. I'm asking to you, why you're not replying?
Weren't you asking my brother?
Yeah, I can see you, but you're continuously not replying. I'm asking to you, what is the type of this polynomial? What is the type of this expressions? Okay, that it is monomial or binomial or trinomial or multinomial. You have to tell me the answer.
I don't see your screen. I don't see your share screen on my iPad.
Now,
Yeah, I still don't see it. Do I leave and come back?
I think he has some network issue. 575, your camera is off, I think.
My camera's on.
So can anyone tell me the type of expression? Yeah.
Can you repeat the equation? Can you show the whiteboard so it's coming down in the board?
3x minus 12xy. And the second question is minus 3x cube y to the power 4 and z to the power 5.
The first one expression, 3x is a binomial.
Yeah, it's binomial. Okay. And this one is?
As a multi.
12
Monomial?
Yeah.
multi-nominal.
Yeah, it is monomial. Second one is binomial and first one is monomial.
Well, how do you call the one that's more than like more than like
More than 3 is multinomial.
Okay. Listen, if a question is given that the side of triangle R, first one is 5a, okay, minus 3b. Note it down, okay. Second side is 3a plus 2b, okay, 3a plus 2b. And third one is, and third side is 5b minus 2a, okay. So what will be the perimeter of this triangle?
Okay, 5b minus LA.
Yeah,
Wait, what's the third expression? You put 5b
Minus 2a, not LA. 2a.
tell me how we solve it. You know the formula of perimeter of the triangle.
5b minus 3b 2ab equals 5b minus 3b.
Write it down in your notebook and show me. I think connection is too slow, so your voice is not clear.
Okay.
You have to find the perimeter?
Yeah?
I finished.
Yeah. Show me. Okay. Tell me answer. Tell me answer because your video is not visible.
6A
What happened 536?
plus 4B.
Can you repeat?
6A plus
Yeah?
4B.
Yeah. Correct. Actually, if any triangle they have different sides, okay, in equilateral the perimeter is equal to 3L because all sides are equal. But in normal triangle, okay, in normal triangle
How do
all
we
the sides are different. So
how do we get the answer?
yeah, 5 and 5, your answer is absolutely correct. So if one side is L1, second side is L2, and third side is L3, so the perimeter will be L1 plus L2 plus L3. So you guys have to add all the three expressions, okay, and you'll get the answer. So you have to add them. So you have 5a minus 3b plus 3a plus 2b plus 5b minus 2a. Okay, so you have 5a and 3a, then you'll get 8a. 8a minus 2a, then you'll get 6a. Okay, 6a, and negative 3b plus 2b, you'll get negative b, and negative b plus 5b, then you'll get positive 4b. Okay, yeah, so this one is your answer. I think you guys understand that what is happening here.
Yes.
So anyone have any problem?
No.
I'll send you a sheet of question and you have to solve it. Then in next class, I maybe on Friday, right? Yeah,
Can you invite me to the chat?
yeah. After class, I'll consult them to add you. Okay. You and 535, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. So after class, I'll send you a sheet and you have to solve it. And then from next class, we are going to start in a new topic. So you guys have your syllabus. You guys have your syllabus.
Can you say that again?
Syllabus of grade 6. What you like to start? 1 second. Tell me. 1 second. Just give me a second. Grade 6. So your next topic 4 is represent and solve equation and inequalities. So you like to start this one, or topic 5 is understand and use ratio and rate. So would you like to start equation and equalities, or percentage, or ratio and rate? Otherwise you have another option, that solve area, surface area and volume. So what do you like to start?
I think topic 5.
Topic 5,
Ratios.
understand and ratios.
Yeah,
What was the first one you said?
I've learned ratios already.
Okay, so we'll start ratios from next class. Okay,
Okay.
fine. Now you may leave.
Bye, teacher.
Thank you.
Bye.
Is the
Have a
home
good day, guys.
the homework gonna be sent?
See you on Thursday.
Huh? Is the
Okay,
homework
I'll send you after class.
okay?
Send you after class.
Goodbye.
Bye. Bye.